Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the tools and the shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the tools and the shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start from the top, which is the selection tool. What this tool allows you to do is to select any layer in the timeline, and you can select and drag any layer in the timeline. And the shortcut for it is the letter V. So if you're on the razor tool and you want to bring back the selection tool, just press V on the keyboard. And now let's go back to the next tool, which is the track select forward and backwards tool. And what that tool does is to select all the footage in front of those arrows right here, and you can select and move to the right. And the shortcut for it is A on the keyboard. And if you want to move to the left, press Shift and A, and now you can move the footage to the left. And now for the Ripple Edit tool, and what that tool does is to click on the in point or the out point of a clip, and it will slide that out point on the source of your footage. And now for the razor tool, and what that tool does is to cut your clip in half. And the keyboard shortcut for it is C. And now let's go to the slip tool. And what that tool does is to keep your files exactly where it is in the timeline, and it will let you slip backwards or forwards for this clip. And now let's go to the next tool, which is the bin tool. What that tool does is that it will create a shape for you in the timeline. So let's just delete that and go to the next tool, which is the hand tool. This tool allows you to move left and right in the timeline by clicking and dragging. And for the last tool, which is the type tool, it will create a text layer for you in the timeline. And the shortcut for it is the letter T. That is pretty much all the tools in Adobe Premiere. Now let's explore other shortcuts in Adobe Premiere. The first one is copy and paste. What you have to do is to click on the clip and press Ctrl C on the keyboard and bring the timeline, and Ctrl V to paste your clip. Also, you can copy effects by this method. So copy and paste is really important in Adobe Premiere because it will save you a lot of time. The second one is the plus and minus. Hitting either the plus or minus will increase or decrease the size of your timeline. The third one is Ctrl S, which is to save your project file. Please do it a lot, it's really important. And the fourth one is the G letter, which stands for audio gain. So you click on the clip that you want to edit the gain for it and press G on the keyboard, and it will bring up the adjusting for the gain. So guys, that is pretty much the tools and the shortcuts in Adobe Premiere. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.